Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic in inventory management: FIFO versus LIFO. If you're running a business, handling stock, or just curious about how companies track their goods, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly are FIFO and LIFO? FIFO stands for first in, first out. Imagine you have a warehouse full of products. With FIFO, you sell or use the oldest items first. It's like eating the oldest bread in your pantry before it goes bad. This method is great for perishable goods because it keeps things fresh and reduces waste. On the flip side, LIFO means last in, first out. Here, you sell the newest items first. Think of it as grabbing the most recent batch of clothes from the back of your closet. LIFO can be handy when costs are rising, as it might help with tax savings by matching higher costs to revenue. Now, let's compare the two. One big difference is how they affect your finances. With FIFO, your cost of goods sold is usually lower because you're using older, cheaper inventory first, which can lead to higher profits on paper. But with LIFO, especially in times of inflation, your costs might look higher, potentially lowering your taxable income. However, LIFO isn't allowed under international accounting standards in some countries, so always check the rules where you operate. So, when should you use each? Go for FIFO if you're dealing with products that expire, like food or medicine, to minimize losses. LIFO works well in industries with fluctuating prices, like electronics or fuel, where you want to offset income with higher costs. Ultimately, the choice depends on your business needs, tax situation, and local laws. In summary, FIFO keeps things orderly and fresh, while LIFO can be a smart financial play. I hope this clears things up for 2025 and beyond. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.